The new timer is ready to be released. It has the updated APIs for the changes that AutoTask is requiring. So you're actually not going to use your AutoTask credentials anymore with it. It automatically will essentially impersonate you. And that impersonation is tied to your AD account. So there's no more authentication piece for you guys. And that's required because they're no longer allowing non-API users to use the API. It's just a security feature that they're making. So some of the changes, we now have this override billable status. So you can check this, and if that's checked, then you can choose to make it billable, show on invoice or not. For obviously for C services, for reactive support, things like that, those don't show up on the invoice anyway, so you generally wouldn't use those for those. But if you have hourly support, which I don't think I have an hourly support ticket right now, but I've tested it with one, you can override it. You can make it non-billable but show on invoice. So this is essentially no charge. If you're going to no charge a portion of your ticket, just create a new timer and then move the no charge portion of the time there. So like, let's say that you're doing half of it for free, just move it over to that. You'll have two timers, submit it. Make sure to always show on invoice, unless it's something, I mean, it's more rare to not show on invoice, but you cannot make it billable and not show on invoice. Obviously, you can't bill for time you don't show on an invoice. So that's all enforced there. If that's unchecked, it'll just use the usual logic it's always done. So you don't have to worry about messing that up. So the other thing is on the new timer now, it's a little bit slow because it's in the debug mode, so it should be a little quicker. The time entries here are now cached locally in the database, which should give us some performance increases. It'll allow us to do all tickets, but I could not get the performance quite right on all tickets yet, Bob, so that's not going to be in this release, but the plumbing is there to get it done. But so this is within 5 seconds of current now. It's not exactly live, but I have a DB caching service that's caching the AutoTask ticket database to our local SQL database every 5 seconds. So it's fairly current. You probably won't notice a difference. But some of the features here now, I added the last activity, so you can sort by last activity to see the more current tickets here. If you hover over, you can get the exact time that there was some activity. The activity is not always customer facing. It could be if a time entry was submitted against it, or there's lots of different things that will trigger that, as well as the current status. So you can sort by current status, or you can sort by activity. It will remember your sort now. So every time you start a new timer, it'll have whatever sort you used last. So if you always want to see your ticket list by your most recently active, that's probably going to be for most of you. I don't have any, let me see if I have any tickets that are, so any of the tickets that are in our need action status are going to be highlighted green here. So I've got, for example, the UK ticket there, it's highlighted green, just so that will bubble up and you can see things that need your attention. And let's see here, anything else of note? I think anything there else is of note. So there's some things you can't see that have been improved as well, with the eye for performance. This layout on the ticket settings here is a little different than before, but overall everything should pretty much work the same. So let me know if there's any issues, but I think it's ready to release. I'm going to release it tonight. If you don't have your timer submitted when I release it, it's fine. The data is all cross-compatible, so all you have to do is hit F5 and you'll have the new version once it's released. So that's pretty much it.